We're exploring a groundbreaking technology that's transforming the face of healthcare logistics. Say hello to Jedsy Drone Delivery, the pioneering system that's delivering life-saving medical supplies right to your window or balcony in a matter of minutes. In today's fast-paced world, timely access to medical supplies can be a matter of life and death. But traditional logistics often fall short, especially in densely populated urban areas. Traffic congestion, long delivery times, and high costs are just a few of the challenges that healthcare providers and patients face every day. Jedsy's innovative system uses autonomous drones to transport medical supplies, such as blood, vaccines, and medicines, directly to patients' windows or balconies. This window-to-window delivery method ensures fast, secure, and contactless supply drops, reducing waiting times and increasing access to critical care. As Jedsy Drone Delivery continues to expand its services, the potential for impact is vast. With plans to integrate with existing healthcare infrastructure, explore new use cases, and develop more advanced drone technologies, the future of medical logistics looks brighter than ever. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of healthcare logistics. Jedsy Drone Delivery is a shining example of innovation and compassion in action. Subscribe to our channel for more innovation intersection and join the conversation on social media using